everyone. So today I'm going to do a video that is not usually the kind of videos that I do, but since I do have sensitive skin and this has happened to me several times, I just wanted to put this video out there because I know a lot of people are looking for an answer. When it happened to me, the times it did, I always try to search online what was the problem, what was happening to me, what is this, how can I help? How can I, what can I do to help this problem? And yeah, there's not a lot of information online, at least that I could find. So I wanted to share this video and talk about my experience and just tell you what helped me out when I was going through it. So as you saw by the title, I'm going to talk about a time. It's happened to me like 3 times, and it's happened when I shaved my legs. It's happened separate occasions. I'm not sure what it is. I'm thinking it's because I have very sensitive skin. So one day, I remember this was years ago. I always shave. I've been shaving forever, but I shaved my legs and I went to a pool. And that same day, like just a couple of hours after I shaved, I went to a pool and everything was fine, right? I didn't feel anything weird. It was just a normal day. When I got out of this pool and my skin interacted with the air, oh my God. Guys, this is not something normal. It was terrifying. I felt in my legs, oh, just thinking about it, I felt in my legs like 100 ants were just crawling on me. I didn't know what that was, how to soothe it. And right after that, after we left the pool, we got in a cab, and then the cab had air conditioner, and that made it worse. I swear it was take me to a hospital, do something, because it wasn't itching. It just felt like a million ants or bugs were on me, and just that sensation. And I remember I got home, I tried to put some cream, a regular cream. That did nothing. It's like I didn't put anything on. Okay, that was the first time I experienced this. The second time, I live here in New York. The second time I went to Florida, right? And I was in a family member's house. Again, I shaved, everything was fine. And they have central air conditioning. Is that how you call it? Central air conditioning. And I'm just thinking it has something to do with the air, because I'm not sure if it's the air there or what it was. I just don't understand. And I shaved, I got out of the shower. When my skin hit the air, the central air, again this feeling came. It just felt I honestly can't say if I remember it itching, but it was just it felt so irritated. I don't think my legs got red or anything. It just felt like a million things ants. I don't know what it was, but it just wouldn't go away. It's not if it was 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And again, I was but what can I put besides cream? I didn't know what to put, and nothing. So the last time it happened to me, it was actually in my own home, which I've never experienced it. I don't know what triggers it, guys. What triggers it? I still don't know the answer, but I want to tell you what actually ended up helping me to soothe this. But if anybody knows what triggers this, please let us know in the comments, because I'm sure a lot of people will be searching for this. This happens. I'm sure it's because we have sensitive skin. But one day I was regularly in my house. I shaved. I can't honestly remember if it was the summer, if I had the AC on, or what happened, but I shave often. And it just happened one day out of nowhere. I shaved and I was oh my God, it's coming again, it's coming again. But this time, guys, I had something different. Since I noticed no kind of cream was helping, I don't think I ever tried to put alcohol. I don't know if that's even a smart idea after you shaved and try to put that, but this is what I use, guys. I will insert a picture here, and it is aloe vera. Aloe vera. Of course, when I was like out, I don't usually carry aloe vera. Girls usually carry like cream, regular cream, but at least I never carried aloe vera with me. But I happened to have bought like 2 bottles of these, and I just decided to apply it. I don't know, I didn't know what to put. I decided to put this, and immediately, guys, immediately it soothed my skin. So if you guys haven't tried aloe vera, try it, because it helped me immediately. So if you know you're gonna shave, or if you just feel better carrying it with you because you never know when this is gonna happen, hey, it helped me, and I just wanted to share my experience. But the experience is horrible. You don't know what to do, like how to soothe it, and I still don't know what causes it, because I've tried to search the internet to see what causes this, and I honestly cannot find any explanation. I think it has something to do with the air, but why doesn't it happen every time? Like I said, I understand being in the pool, maybe the chlorine, or maybe the central air. I don't know if that would make a difference than the regular AC, but it happened like here, just home, regular. I hope I helped you guys. If you guys like were looking for an answer, like what could help, and you guys haven't thought of aloe vera, it helped me. I hope it helps you. And please, if you have any more to say about this topic, please leave it down in the comments below. You don't know, a lot of people really do search for this, and there's not a lot of answers. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.